Oh. Oh, yeah. We're
Beach day, part 2. Look guys, camera reveal.
Oh my God,
I got
yeah.
a camera because Morgan has
Stop,
a camera.
it's so cute.
It's blue, isn't it cute?
That's so cute.
It's like cute teal. My ukulele and my record player are this color too, so they all match.
That's so cute.
It's fun. Look what happens when you turn it on. Hold on. It says welcome.
Oh, and mine says that too.
Ah,
And then
so
when I turn it off,
cute.
it says bye bye.
Mine does too. It
Stop
must be the same
it.
one.
On our way to the beach now.
Let's go to the beach. Let's.
We've arrived.
This is my sign to, I think, fix my hair because I put it up for the first time and now it's a little, you know.
Oh yeah.
There go the shells.
They all just, oh, they're still.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Sit.
Oh my god. Okay.
Hold on, I want to do that too.
Okay. Me and James.
Oh my gosh. Oh
my
my god. I got my bracelets though.
Oh yeah, just Jane's bracelets were still in my seat.
Okay.
Oh, okay, we're going to CVS or something now.
Yeah, we're gonna go find some.
It's also 4:47 p.m. We've been here like all day. Let's see where our...
We're gonna find some band-aids, maybe some socks.
I have to, oh, I put my shorts on.
I'm trying to sit.
Oh, it's a 9-minute drive.
Okay. Whoa.
Okay, we'll be back. Status of my foot now. It says Snack Queen on it. And then
Take the layer
and then there's
Peppa.
Peppa. This is so many like feet pics, and now Jane's trying to get my other
free
one.
the other sock.
Oh, we're also really good now. It also took forever to find those band-aids.
We're starving.
Yeah, now we're gonna go eat food and reward ourselves for surviving the Great War. Hello. This place is so cute. We've both been here before, but...
Yes. With different people. Morgan's gonna get mac and cheese.
Yeah, Jane's still...
I'm perusing.
Yeah. Look at great food. This is Jane's food. So cute, so cute. I'm so excited to eat.
Excited.
Okay, we just finished dinner.
It was very lovely.
Now we're on our way to take a picture for my
I
ID.
ate, like half
My
of Morgan's
student ID.
pasta.
Yeah, she did.
It was really good.
I had a
Morgan
great time.
was like, I have leftovers.
So
I'm like, no, you don't. They're mine.
and we saw John B, not actual John B, but
John B went into a store.
John B, doppelganger.
He never emerged.
He never came back.
He was never seen again. Time to
Rip
take.
John B.
Time to take your mugshot.
Yeah, my student ID picture. Yes.